Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly important topic to discuss, especially in this day and age where online threats are constantly evolving. We are diving deep into the world of cybersecurity and we will be talking about the top cybersecurity tools for 2024. So whether you are an individual concerned about your online safety or a business looking to protect your digital assets, you are in the right place. So let's get started. And before starting, if you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certifications from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity from MIT University in collaboration with EC Council should be your right choice. This course is designed to accommodate a diverse range of learners, and this course requires just a bachelor's degree with a 50% average and no prior programming experience, and 1+ year of work experience is preferred. For more details, you can use the link in the description box below. Now let's get started. With the increasing reliance on digital technologies, our privacy and safety are at risk more than ever before. Cybersecurity tools play a vital role in protecting us from potential online threats. So we'll start with objectives of cybersecurity tools. So cybersecurity tools have various objectives and they are designed. The first is to analyze infrastructure data to detect anomalies and vulnerabilities. And the next objective is to automate cybersecurity workflows for efficiency. And then we have build secure web-based services. And then monitor network operations and user activities. So these are the objectives of cybersecurity tools. Now we'll see the considerations for choosing cybersecurity tools. Choosing the right cybersecurity tools for your specific needs is crucial. Here are some key considerations when selecting these tools. Number one is scalability. Ensure the tool can protect many endpoints and devices across a wide perimeter. And then we have integration. It should seamlessly integrate with your existing systems. And the next consideration is opt for tools with reliable support as cybersecurity is ever evolving. And the next consideration is purpose built. Look for tools designed to address different scenarios effectively. And the next is compatibility. The tool should work with various device variants, operating systems, and cloud vendors. So these are the considerations for choosing cybersecurity tool. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, that is the top cybersecurity tools for 2024. So these tools are designed to keep you safe in the digital world. So first, we will start with SolarWinds Security Event Manager. The SolarWinds Security Event Manager is a powerful network monitoring platform with real-time packet analysis capabilities and dynamic baselines to detect genuine performance deviations. And now we'll see the key features for the SolarWinds Security Event Manager. So the first key feature is smarter scalability. SolarWinds Security Event Manager offers scalable solutions suitable for large environments. Whether your organization has numerous endpoints or diverse devices spread across a wide perimeter, this tool can adapt and protect your network effectively. Then we have multi-vendor network monitoring. This feature allows you to monitor not only your network but also a variety of vendors, ensuring that you can keep an eye on all aspects of your digital infrastructure. This is essential in today's interconnected and multi-vendor network environments. And then we have advanced alerting system. SolarWinds Security Event Manager provides an advanced alerting system that helps you detect and respond to security threats swiftly. By setting up customized alerts, you can proactively address potential issues before they escalate into major breaches. And then we have monitor end-to-end network. Understanding the entire network path is crucial for identifying bottlenecks, vulnerabilities, and potential threats. SolarWinds tool enables you to monitor end-to-end network paths, ensuring that you have full visibility into your network's performance. And the next key feature is cross-stack network data correlation. With cross-stack network data correlation, you can connect the dots between various network elements and pinpoint the root cause of issues quickly. This capability is a game changer when it comes to troubleshooting and responding to security incidents. So this was all about the first tool, that is SolarWinds Security Event Manager. Now moving to second tool, that is Wireshark. It's an open source network protocol analyzer that helps professionals identify network security weaknesses by capturing and analyzing data packets in real time. Now we'll see the key features of Wireshark. So the first key feature is cross-platform compatibility. Wireshark is a cross-platform tool, which means it can be installed on a variety of operating systems, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Then we have open source architecture. Being open source means that Wireshark is continually improved by a global community of developers. This openness also facilitates easy integration with other cybersecurity tools and systems. And then the next feature is real-time data capture and analysis. Wireshark provides real-time packet capture and analysis, allowing you to monitor network activity as it happens. This feature is invaluable for identifying anomalies, security threats, and performance issues. And then the next feature is decryption protocol support. It supports decryption for multiple network protocols and various output formats, enabling you to understand encrypted traffic and identify potential security vulnerabilities. And now moving to the next tool, that is the third tool, and that is AXCrypt. So AXCrypt Premium offers advanced encryption features in a user-friendly package, ensuring your data remains secure. It supports various platforms, making it convenient for users. And now we'll see the key features of AXCrypt. The number one is 256-bit encryption. AXCrypt employs strong 256-bit encryption, which is virtually unbreakable with current technology. This level of encryption ensures that your data remains secure and confidential. And the next is user-friendly interface. One of AXCrypt's standout feature is its user-friendly interface. Encrypting and decrypting files is as simple as dragging and dropping them into the AXCrypt window. This accessibility makes it usable for users and all technical levels. And the next is secure file deletion. AXCrypt goes beyond encryption by offering secure file deletion. This feature ensures that when you delete an encrypted file, it becomes virtually impossible to recover, providing an additional layer of data protection. And then the next feature is cross-platform compatibility. AXCrypt supports various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. This versatility allows you to encrypt and decrypt files seamlessly across different devices and platforms. And then the next feature is user support. AXCrypt provides user support through email, forums, and even second-level support via chat. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using the tool, there's a support system in place to assist you. And then the next feature is public key cryptography. AXCrypt offers the option to use public key cryptography, which allows you to securely share encrypted files with others. Only those with the appropriate decryption key can access the files, enhancing collaboration while maintaining security. So why AXCrypt matters? Data protection. AXCrypt is a crucial tool for safeguarding sensitive data, whether you are an individual protecting personal files or a business securing confidential documents. AXCrypt ensures that your information remains private. And now moving on to the fourth tool, that is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a widely used cybersecurity tool with over 300 utilities for scanning network systems. It's a great for both experts and entry-level professionals, making it versatile and effective. And now moving to key features for Kali Linux. The number one feature is versatile toolset. Kali Linux boasts an extensive collection of over 300 cybersecurity tools, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks, including network analysis, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing. And then we have user-friendly interface. Despite its powerful capabilities, Kali Linux offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to those with limited Linux experience. Its menu-driven navigation amplifies and simplifies the process of selecting and using tools. And the next is customizable. Kali Linux allows users to customize and tailor the distribution to their specific needs. This means you can install additional tools or remove unnecessary ones to create streamlined and efficient environment. And then we have regular updates to stay ahead of emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Kali Linux is continuously updated. The development team ensures that the tools within the distribution are up to date with the latest security patches and improvements. And then we have wide device compatibility. Kali Linux is compatible with a wide range of hardware and can be installed on various devices, including laptops, desktops, and even Raspberry Pi devices. This flexibility ensures that you can take your cybersecurity toolkit with you wherever you go. And the next we have is community support. Kali Linux has a vibrant and active community of users and developers who contribute to its growth and provide support through forums. This community aspect makes it easier to learn and troubleshoot any issues you may encounter. Now, moving to the fifth tool, that is AirCrackNG. AirCrackNG is an open source suite of wireless tools used for analyzing Wi-Fi network security weaknesses. It's a comprehensive solution that's entirely free. Now we'll see and learn some of the key features of AirCrackNG. The first feature is open source architecture. AirCrackNG is an open source software, which means it's freely available for anyone to use, modify and contribute to its development. This open nature fosters a community of users and developers continuously working to enhance its capabilities. And the next is compatibility. AirCrackNG is versatile in terms of compatibility. While it primarily works on Linux, it has also been adapted to run on other operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, NetBSD, Solaris, and even Ecom Station 2. This compatibility ensures that users from various backgrounds and preferences can harness its power. Now, the next feature is suite of programs. AirCrackNG comprises a suite of programs, each serving a specific purpose in wireless network security. Some of the notable components include AirDecapNG, AeroDumpNG, AirTunNG. So these command line tools allow for intricate scripting and customization, making AirCrackNG a valuable asset for professionals seeking to fine-tune their wireless security efforts. And the next feature is Wi-Fi security assessment. AirCrackNG is particularly adept at assessing the security of Wi-Fi networks. And the next is password cracking. One of the standout features of AirCrackNG is its ability to crack Wi-Fi passwords, while it's essential to use its capability responsibly and legally. The next is community support. AirCrackNG boasts an active and engaged user community. So this was the features of AirCrackNG. Now moving on to the tool 6, that is Nikto. So Nikto is an excellent open source tool focused on scanning the web for vulnerabilities covering both web servers and networks. It's continuously updated to help users identify threats. Now moving on to see the key features of Nikto. Number 1 is comprehensive scanning. Nikto's database consists of approximately 6,400 distinct types of security threats covering both web servers and networks. It scans websites for a wide range of vulnerabilities, including outdated software, misconfigured servers, and known security issues. The next feature is web server and network focus. Nikto is specialized in scrutinizing web servers and the networks they operate on. It doesn't just look for issues on the surface, it digs deep into the server's configuration to identify potential weaknesses. The next is continuous updates. The tool is continuously updated to keep pace with emerging threats and vulnerabilities. The next is lightweight and versatile. Nikto is a lightweight web application vulnerability scanner, making it easy to use and integrate into existing security workflows. The next is plugin system. Nikto's plugin system allows for easy extensibility. New plugins can be created to make it compatible with different systems, making it adaptable to a wide variety of web server setups. So how Nikto works? Nikto operates by sending HTTP requests to the target web server and analyzing the responses it receives. It looks for specific patterns or characteristics that indicate vulnerabilities. Nikto doesn't exploit vulnerabilities but rather provides a comprehensive report highlighting potential issues, allowing administrators to take appropriate action. So this was all about the Nikto tool. Now moving to the 7th tool, that is ForcePoint. ForcePoint is a tool used to customize SD-WAN, helping track and prevent malicious activities within networks. It offers a high level of customization and real-time content analysis. Now moving to see the key features of this tool. The number 1 is high-level security. ForcePoint provides a high level of security across various applications and resources within your network. The next is seamless integration. The tool seamlessly integrates with different network components, ensuring that it doesn't disrupt your existing infrastructure. And the next is customization. One of the standout features of ForcePoint is its customization capabilities. Users can tailor policies, fingerprints, and classifiers to meet their specific security requirements. The next is real-time content analysis. ForcePoint offers real-time content analysis and classification. This means that it can identify and classify content flowing through your network in real time. The next is cross-portfolio intelligence. ForcePoint leverages cross-portfolio and third-party global shared threat intelligence networks. This means that it has access to a vast pool of threat data, making it more effective in identifying and mitigating emerging threats. So this was all about the ForcePoint tool. Now moving on to the eighth tool, that is Nessus Professional tool. Nessus Professional is a handy vulnerability scanner that's updated daily with new threat data. It's an essential tool for improving network integrity. Now we'll see the key features of this tool. The number one is remote scanning tool. Nessus Professional is a remote scanning tool that excels in high-speed asset discovery. The next is daily threat data updates. One of the standout features of Nessus Professional is its commitment to staying up to date with the ever-changing threat landscape. And the next is ease of deployment and use. Unlike some complex cybersecurity tools, Nessus Professional is known for its ease of deployment and user-friendliness. And the next is support from Tenable's expert vulnerability research team. With Nessus Professional, you are not just getting a software tool. You are gaining access to the expertise of Tenable's vulnerability research team. This ensures that you have top-notch support and access to the latest insights into the cybersecurity landscape. And the next feature is cross-platform compatibility. Nessus Professional is compatible with various operating systems, including Mac, Linux, and Windows. This broad compatibility makes it accessible for a wide range of users and organizations. And this was all for this tutorial. Hope you guys found it informative and helpful. If you are an aspiring cybersecurity professional looking for online training and certifications from prestigious universities and in collaboration with leading experts, and to enhance your credibility, then search no more. Simplilearn's Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity in collaboration with NPCI should be your right choice. With this program, you can transform your career in 6 months for India-specific region only. This course provides a high engagement learning experience and real-world applications and is designed for individuals who want to start a new and more fulfilling career. And now let's take a minute to hear from our learners who have experienced massive success in their careers.
Hi, I'm Philip. I'm 61 years old, and last year I upskilled with Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity after working 30 years in the IT sector in various different profiles. I'm happy to tell you that I was able to clear and pass my CISSP and CCSP certification exams on the first attempt after taking the course. The course, I must say, was packed with practical examples. It was led by highly skilled certified instructors with many companies before as a security analyst and an architect on a contract basis, but I needed some stability, which I got with the job I just started with Infosys as a cybersecurity consultant. Happened on the first.
And if you like this session, then like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, then you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.